Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going on an adventure to learn about all the ways we get around on land, water, and even in the sky. From buses to boats and bicycles to planes, there's a way to travel for everyone. Buckle up, or maybe lace up your walking shoes, and let's hit the road.
A bus is a large vehicle for many people. I take the bus to school and it's always full of kids laughing and chatting. Sometimes I wonder if the driver feels like a superhero, keeping everything under control. Buses are great because you don't have to drive. You just sit back and enjoy the ride. A car is a small vehicle for a few people. My mom drives a car, and she says it's her freedom machine. Cars are like magic boxes that take you wherever you want, as long as you don't forget the keys. It's fun to sing loudly in the car, even if you're off tune. A train is a vehicle that runs on tracks. The train is fast, and watching the world fly by through the window is amazing. It's like being in a long, moving house with snacks and comfy seats. Sometimes, I pretend I'm a detective on a mystery train ride. A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle. I ride my bicycle to the park, but sometimes I wobble like a penguin learning to dance. Riding a bike feels like flying, but closer to the ground. Plus, it's good exercise and great fun. Just watch out for squirrels. A plane is a flying vehicle. We flew in a plane to Spain, and I felt like a bird soaring through the clouds. Planes are amazing because they take you to faraway places faster than anything else. And let's be honest, the snacks are a little extra fun when you're thousands of feet in the air. A boat is a vehicle for water travel. The boat is on the lake, and it moves so smoothly it feels like a water dance. Boats are perfect for relaxing, but watch out. You might get splashed. Sometimes I imagine being a pirate searching for treasure. A taxi is a car you pay to ride in. We took a taxi to the hotel, and the driver told us funny stories along the way. Taxis are like magic carpets. They take you exactly where you want to go. Just don't forget to say thank you when you get out. A truck is a large vehicle for goods. The truck carries vegetables, and I always wonder how many carrots are inside. Trucks are like the superheroes of the road, delivering everything we need. They're big, loud, and always on a mission. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled motor vehicle. He rides a motorcycle, and it's so fast, it feels like the wind is racing with him. Motorcycles are cool, but wearing a helmet makes you look even cooler. Just don't try to fit too many groceries on one. Walk means to move on foot. I walk to school every day, and sometimes I take the long way just to enjoy the fresh air. Walking's like a free adventure. You never know what you'll see along the way. Plus, it's great for thinking about important stuff, like what's for dinner.
And there you have it, our guide to getting around. Whether you're riding a bus, flying in a plane, or simply walking, every journey has its own fun moments. So, which one is your favorite way to travel? Thanks for joining me, and remember, life's an adventure, so enjoy the ride.